Welcome back, people. We already learned about primitive and reference data types. So we have string, number, boolean, and defined as primitive data types. So what happens when we have to use more than one data type together? And what if they don't work the way they should? Let's look at an example for that. So now let's see what is the output. Will it be 3 or 1, 2? Let's run this. So when we run it, we get 1, 2 and not 3. So what is happening here is that instead of treating both the value as number, they are being treated as two string values. And plus symbol is the string concatenation operator in JavaScript. So 1, 2 is printed. This is what is called coercion. The JavaScript engine, instead of treating the variable a as a number, it treat it as a string and concatenate it with variable b. In some languages like Python, if you try to concatenate a string and a number, you will get a type error unless you explicitly convert the number to a string. But JavaScript will take the number and coerce it, or in other words, convince it that it is a string and then concatenate both A and B together. What if we want to change the string to a number and not the other way around? We can use the concept of type conversion for this. We already have two variables A and B. What we will do now is here we are using parseInt, which is a function which is a type conversion function that converts b, which is a string, into a number. Here we also use 10, which represents the base value or the base system, and 10 represents decimal value. Now you get 3 as output and not 1, 2, because here we converted the string into a number, and the JS engine now adds the 2 number and gives out the result. Now, you may wonder, what if we want to pass a character or a string value which is not a number to parseInt function? Let's go ahead and try that out. So here we are passing the string value st to the parseInt function, and then we are going to print it. Let's see what happens now. So here st is not a number and it is in the form of a string, and we are trying to convert it into an integer, or let's say a number. We get the output as n a n, which means it is not a number. What you have to remember here is it is not an error, it is just telling us that the value that we passed to the function is not a number. This is type coercion and type conversion. I hope you would have understood both. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.